Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. So today we'll be making this snail. First make its back. Now cut the green paper out, fold it to make its body. Stick the back on it like this. Now we will make its eyes. Stick it. Now we will make the nose and its mouth, and your snail is ready. Next we will take the paper strips like this, paste them together and fold them like this. Now take another paper strip and make a spring out of it. Now make a frog and your frog is ready. Next we will take a paper cup, cut it from the top like this. Now cut the frills out of it like this. Now using a wooden stick we will roll the frills like this. Make the eyes, stick the stems and leaves of the flower and it's ready. Next we will take an egg tray, cut it out like this. Color it. So here we are making a teddy bear. Color it. Now make its eyes and nose, mouth, and it's ready. Next we will take a foam. Color it like this using a different colors. Stick its eyes and mouth. Now roll it on a transparent plastic sheet and your toffees are ready. Next take a plastic cup, fill it with clay like this. Now stick the legs and the body of the tortoise. Make the eyes and your tortoise is ready. Next take a white sponge, cut it out. Now draw a piggy face on it, cut it out, fill it with pink color. Stick its eyes and nose and your piggy is ready. I hope you liked it. Next take a colorful sheets, draw the circle on it and paste it like this. Make few more as such and stick all of them together. Now stick the straw on it and your umbrella is ready. Next take a pink color paper, fold it and cut it like this. Make the frills out of it. Now fold it from the between and stick it like this. Now take a paper and put a lollipop on it and roll it around the papers and it's ready. Next take a round paper. Now paste the paper strips on it like this. Take more paper strips and fix them into each other and your pen stand is ready. Next take a black and yellow color sheets and paste them together. So here we are making a honeybee toy. Stick its eyes and mouth, make it sting and it's ready. Next take a eggshell, fill it with tissue paper and water in it. Now we will make its cap using a red color paper. Decorate it using the white clay like this. After that we will draw its eyes and mouth and your toy is ready. Next we will take a black color paper, draw a circle on it like this. Now cut it out. So here we are making a ladybird. Draw the pattern on its wings, stick its eyes, put it on a bottle cap, fill it with clay and it's ready. Next we will take a pink color clay, roll it like this. Now we will roll it like this and then we will make the dots on it, stick its eyes and it's ready. Next take a white color paper, crumble it and stick the double-sided tape on it, paste the candies on it. Now take a purple color paper, make it stand and your candy is ready. Next take a bubble sheet, make a heart shape on it and stick it like this. Now we will apply the candies on it like this, make its handle and your purse is ready. Thanks for watching.